All right, so the other day, my wife pulls in, pushes the garage door to pull the car in the garage. It goes up a foot or so and then drops to the floor. So we got to find out what's going on. We can see right off the bat that the chain is hanging here. So it's clearly an issue, and I suspect, doesn't look like anything's broken. Maybe it came off the sprocket up top there, but we'll have to take a look. So the first thing we're going to have to do is release the garage door. So I'll have my wife Tracy do that. She'll release it from the latch so we have, yep, that's all you have to do. And then we can pull the thing back and forth without messing with the weight of the door. All right, so we have to take this little cover off here, and sure enough, the chain is over here and it's off its sprocket. Disconnect something here. It's hard to see. And this frickin' thing, you know what? You just break those things off. You don't need them. It's a pain in the ass. Nobody's getting up here and putting their finger in here. If they are, then they deserve to get their finger pinched. What you can do is you come right over to this thing here, and we're just going to loosen it up. And that'll give me some slack. I can get it around the sprocket, and then we'll tighten it back up. All right, so we're back on there, like that. Now we got to tighten it up, and I might be able to pop this back in place, even though I broke off the back part of it. There we go. All right, so go ahead and throw that little latch. Before you do that, actually, don't do that. Push the button over here. Stop. What the hell is causing that problem? Incidentally, while I'm up here, I just want to show you something else that you do to fix another issue. You see this piece of crap right here? This is the sensor that is supposed to go on each side of the garage door. So if somebody breaks that beam, it stops the door from going up or down. It frees it, or stops it, makes it go back up, so people don't get pinched or hurt. Well, come on, teach people to not walk through a freaking door that's going up and down. That's the problem with this world, is everybody's so scared of getting hurt with everything. You got all these stupid ass safety things that screw everything up. So you just face them towards each other, tape them together, and they always see each other, so the damn door will go up and down, no problem. That's just get this out of my way. That's just a side note. Been like this for 20 years. OSHA will probably watch my video and condemn my garage door opener. Too bad. It's not a commercial building, so we gotta find out what happened with what actually broke here. So we're gonna get up here and look. And what broke is this bolt actually broke right off. The eye bolt. The bolt's here, but the other part is broke right off. So, and then, interestingly enough, the safety cable that's supposed to hold it in position broke along with it. So a lot of good that did. And the whole damn thing's apart. Let's see. Gotta get that back on that pulley. Okay, certainly a lot lighter. Let's put that so it locks in. Where's the button? Stop! Why is it doing that? It's got to be inside that thing. It's the only thing it can be. And without the pressure on it, it's okay. But when you put weight on it, it's jammed up. So, well, anyway, you saw how to put a chain back on and how you can hook a spring back up. But it looks in this case, we're going to need... Oh, give me a screwdriver, Trace. We're going to probably need a new door opener. Oh, the housing is all cracked. So if you look inside here, I don't know if you can see. See that right there? The housing to this is cracked. And so probably it's jamming up on this inside here maybe. Oh, well, that's cracked. I wonder if you can buy just a piece. That's why one of the reasons why I'm taking it apart. Can you buy just this piece? Yes, people, it is still plugged in. I'm guessing that's just a gearbox to the Stanley door opener. So what we'll do is we're going to leave it right here. We're going to unplug it. And see if I can order a part for it. So if anybody's interested as well, this is model number WH655-F09. All right, well, I guess that's all we can do in here. So yeah, I bet when that spring broke, it jammed and put a whole load on that thing and broke it.
Yep. Cracked the housing.
Cracked the housing, it's jamming the gears up. So hopefully we can just buy the housing. There's nothing else wrong with it. I don't know if you can or not, but